name is Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about keeping track. The goal is to create a variable to track the number of gems collected. You can pause the video if you want to read the description, the examples, and the steps. But I'm going to go straight to the code. So as it says in the first step of the description, the first part of the description, the var gem counter in the beginning is always going to be 0. Then in the code we're actually going to do move forward, then move forward. Then after that we're going to do collect gem. So after you do collect gem, you're supposed to do gem counter equals to 1. So you can count how many crystals you are getting. So you move forward and grab the crystal. And that's it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!